अपलोड होगी, आज तो अपलोड नहीं होगी, आज तो बनेगी, अपलोड होगी. Most of you also will be getting something. How many of you are thinking that you are going to win something over here today? Are you sure 100%? सर देख लो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट लोगों के चेहरे. ये अनिकेत इनकी फीस चेक करिए पहले तो, नहीं तो इनका सर्टिफिकेट इन्हें मिले न मिले, यस सर्टिफिकेट यही चलाऊंगा, टाइटल लेके घूम रहा हूँ जेब में. So we'll start now, but we cannot start any function without the introductory speech of our Pappu Daddu. What is Pappu Daddu? परम पूज्य धर्म धुरंधर जीत सर. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. Hi, good afternoon everyone. Merry Christmas to all. And I won't be taking much time. I just want to say thank you to all the people who are here. Special thanks to some of the family members who have come. And thank you everybody. Another 3 hours we are going to enjoy, just enjoy, encourage each other and try to maintain the decorum of this place, because we are here to support each other. So even if you are not in the list of performers here, still you need to encourage other people. So this is what I only want from everyone. Thank you so much. Let's start now. Thank you. बहुत बढ़िया फोटो ले रहा. इनकी मतलब मेरी फोटो ले भाई. इनकी शादी हो चुकी है, मेरी 27 की उम्र हो गई है भाई. और पता है ऐसे सवाल पूछते हैं लोग कि मुझे चिढ़ होती है कि पैसा कितना कमा रहे हो, शादी कब करोगे, मेरे पैसे कब देगा. बहुत बुरे लगते हैं सवाल. ठीक है, सो अच्छी फोटो क्लिक करो, अच्छी फोटो. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर फर्स्ट परफॉर्मेंस of today's show, and it's always a speech. It's always a speech about the shrine of English. We cannot move forward without that. That's a tradition, and I would like to invite on stage a student, one of the most dedicated students from our branch of Sangam Vihar. She's been very regular, very consistent, and she's also been a sort of a backbone for that institute, who has always been in front to help institute in many ways. So I would like to invite Simran on stage. एक बार जोरदार तालियां.
So good afternoon to all the exquisite people present today. It is a pleasure to begin this auspicious occasion by welcoming everyone. We all know that the Shrine of English has completed one more fantastic year, and we all are gathered here for the annual day celebration, which is held to celebrate the talent and skill of the students. Here, I am Simran Yadav, and I am pursuing English Honours from IB University. I am extremely privileged to have this opportunity to address you all at this important moment on our 17th annual day function. It is honor for me to deliver my welcome speech in front of you all. Today is the most important day of our institute. It's an annual day, and we are fortunate to celebrate this day again after 1 year. On this day, the entire year is wrapped up, as it marks the end of a year with all the memories and moments. On the other hand, a fresh start to new possibilities, a new year. It is a day when students get a chance to showcase our talent in front of you all, and we all are gathered here to show their talent. So it is also a day of celebration where we all have mixed feelings, and we know we'll surely miss the moments we created, lived and shared. TSE gives us the platform to showcase our talent. TSE, the Shrine of English, the best place to learn English. Earlier we had our institute in Khanpur Road, but after pandemic we have shifted in Ban Road, and now we have one more branch of our institute in street number 3, DDA Flats, Madanvi. In TSE, we are so blessed to have teachers like them. As our honorable teacher, Jeet sir, he is the head of our institute. He has been teaching for more than 20 years. He is amiable and gregarious kind of person. The personality and the dressing sense he has is so fantastic I think he has magic. Whenever he speaks, a person wants to listen him. He is an inspiration for others. Now, come to Pushu sir. He is one of my favorite teachers. He is so sympathetic, considerate, and understanding. He always helps the student, whether it's the problem of studies or anything. He is good at trying to help people. And I am his student. So, he is one of my favorite teachers. Now come to Ashish sir. He is so sincere and straightforward person. He is too much dedicated towards his goal and he is like to get things done. We should get inspired by Ashish sir because earlier he was a student in this institute and after he became a teacher with his dedication and hard work. Now let's talk about the institute. In our institute, we unveil our skills through numerous competitions and activities like reading class, vocabulary test, walk and talk class, competition class, speaking class, vocabulary test, etc. Out of these activities, one of my favorite activities is walk and talk class. It is an outdoor activity we do in a park in which students are divided into a group. In each group, there is one group leader and around 7 to 8 group members. This activity helps a lot because we talk with a lots of people who are strangers and we had to speak only in English. These activities enhance our skill and boost our confidence as competitions are the opportunities that the TSC provides the student to test their skill and evaluate them by participating in different types of activities and performance. There is no age limit to learn English. The teachers of TSC encourage the student to actively participate and inculcate magnificently. The students who have the difficulties, whether it's the problem of public speaking, stage fear or lack of confidence to perform, the teachers of TSC creating a comfortable environment so they can win over their fear. The method of teaching is so holistic and inclusive so that each student can participate and perform. The best example is our annual day function where the students have the opportunities to showcase their talent in front of you all and receiving awards and certificates of their hard work and learning. In the end, I would like to gratify all the teachers, my beloved friends and staffs who are integral part of this institute, and I request for all your kind cooperation throughout this program and make it a success. Thank you.
Wonderful, very nice. एक बार जोरदार तालियां please. So it was the first performance of the day, a speech, and delivering complete speech in English is not easy. It requires a lot of effort, it requires a lot of practice. So thank you so much, Simran. You did an exceptional job and I hope that you also enjoyed it.